Hello friends, hope you all are okay. My name is Rahul Mittal and today's video we will learn some basic Excel functions. So let's see how can we do this. Friends, as you can see in my screen, I have created this table having column name, math, science, English, Hindi marks, and I have some student name having marks in each subject. So what I did, I just use VLookUp and search the name, and according to the name I have displayed the data here, and according to this data, according to marks data, I have created some functions like total sum here, average marks here, grade B or A, B, C, whatever, using if condition. Similarly in status I have using if condition. Here I will use maximum and minimum marks, and according to this table, entire table I have created three graphs. So let's see how can we do this. Friends, I've already created a demo UI here. I will just show you the functionality, how can we use this. So here we will display the name. So for the name we will use drop down. So how can we create a drop down? By using data validation. So select the cell, go to data and select data validation. Here I will select list. In the source, I will select the entire list. So I will just select till 28, because if I want to increase the name, then it can be easy to add. Click OK. Now you can see my drop down list created till Smita, from Rahul to Smita. See, here I will select the name. Now, what will I do? I will create, I will display their math, science and English marks as per the name. So here by default is Pooja selected. So what will I do? I will just use VLookUp. So what will I do? For maths, I will select equals to, type VLookUp. Here what will I do? My first is lookup value, my parameter. So I will select the drop down value, because in this table my lookup value is this, comma, table array. For table array I will select the entire table. Column index, in the first cell I will display math marks. So my column index number is 2 according to my table, and 0 for the exact match, and press enter. Here you can see Pooja got 93 marks in maths. Here Pooja got 93 marks in maths. Similarly I will do for science, English and Hindi. So let's see. Equals to VLookUp, lookup value, that is my drop down value, comma, table array, that means my entire table, comma, here we will display science. So this column index value is 3, and for 0 is the exact match. Similarly for English, I will use VLookUp. I will select the drop down value, comma, I will select the entire table, comma, I will write 4 for English, comma, 0 for exact match. Similarly for Hindi, VLookUp, name, comma, entire table, comma, 5 for Hindi marks, comma, 0 for exact match. Now you can see that Pooja got 93 in maths. So here 93 in maths. In science, she got 73 in science. Here 73, 65 in English, and Hindi is 72. 65 in English and Hindi in 72. Now what will validate? We will just change the name. We will just select Sneha, and according to Sneha, 62, 59, 85, 84. 62, 59, 85, 84 are the marks she get. So now our drop down and VLOOKUP validation is proper. Now we will use another function. In total sum we will use sum function. So how can we use this? Let's see. Equals to sum, and select your entire cell whom you want to show your sum. Just close the bracket and press enter. So Sneha got 290 marks, 290 overall marks, including math, science, English, and Hindi. So that means it comes display here. Now we will use for the average marks. So for this we will use average function. So how can we use this? By using if condition, by using average condition. So equals to, we will write average, average, average. Oh, sorry, equals to av average. And for the same, we will select the entire marks column, close the bracket and press enter. Now the average marks is 72.5. For grade, we will use if condition. And what is my if condition? If condition is, if student get above 60 marks, then the grade should be B, or if student get above 75 marks, then grade should be A, or above 90 marks, then grade should be A plus plus, or if student gets less than 60, then grade should be C. So we will use if condition to display the grades. So how can we use if condition? We will use if condition like this: select the cell, plus equals to, and write if. My first if condition is, if student get less than 60 marks, so grade should be C. So here I will select average marks less than 60. Then my logical condition is C. Similarly, we will not use if and else condition. We are using multiple if condition here, so that as per the marks, grade should be decided. So now another if condition is, if student get less than 75, then grade should be B. So here we will select the average marks less than 75, then condition should be display as B, comma. Similarly, we will use another if condition where average marks is less than 90, less than 66, um, less than 75 B, less than 90 is A. Oh, less than 90 is A, comma. If nothing matches, then condition is A plus plus. That means if student get above 90%, the condition should be A plus plus. Any grade should be A plus plus. Now see. Now what will we do? We will change the student name and we will select Smita. Now see, Smita overall marks is 175. My condition is, if average marks is less than 60, then grade should be C. Similarly, we will change the name. We will select Rahul. If condition, my condition is, if uh, average marks is less than 90, then grade should be A. So here we will match our all condition. We will see the last one also. If we select Saksham, then you can see, if nothing matches, then grade should be A plus plus. Saksham get 93.25%, so he get A plus plus grade. Similarly, in status we will use pass and fail if condition. So for this we will write, if average marks is less than 60, student shows fail. Otherwise, pass. Now see. What will I do? Okay, I will use greater than. Sorry. So here we will use less than. Now everything is fine. See, student get pass because he got above 65 marks, 65% average marks. Now we will change it to Smita. she got C grade. Status is fail because she get less than 60% marks. Similarly, we will select any other student like Richa. She got 73.5%. That means she got B grade and status is pass. So with the help of if condition, we can manipulate our data as per requirements. Now, here we will display Richa's maximum marks and Richa's minimum marks. So for maximum marks, what will we do? We will just select the cell, type equals to and write max, and select the entire marks column, close the bracket, press enter. Now maximum marks 82. In Richa marks, you can check that she got 82 marks in science, which is maximum. Similarly, in minimum, what will we do? We will type equals to and write minimum and select the marks column, close the bracket and press enter. See, in Hindi, she got 64 marks, which is minimum in the selected table. So, like this, we can use max and minimum. Now, we will change the name and check that according to the name change, data displays or not. So, here what will we do? We will select Abhishek. According to Abhishek, he got 85 in maths, 94 in science, 75 in English, and 89 in Hindi, which is matched properly. Total sum of Abhishek is 343. His average marks is 85.75. According to the condition, if student get less than 90%, the grade should be A, which is matches. If student get above 60%, the status should be pass. And here we will show maximum and minimum. So in Abhishek, he got 94 marks maximum in science and 75% minimum marks in English. Here you can see. So whatever we have done in validation is working as expected. Now what we can do? Now we will create this statement line. Like here I just want to display the student name. Here I will display the it will display the pass fail condition. Here I will display the average marks, and here I will display the grade. So for this we will just select the cell, type equals to and select the cell, name cell, press enter. Here Abhishek comes. Is condition pass fail? So I will just write type equals to and click on status, press enter. With here I will display the average marks, so just press equals to and select the average column. It 85.75% marks, average marks, and grade should be here. I will display the grade, so grade is A. Now what will I do? I will change the name and check that according to the name this data changes or not. So I will select Richa. Richa is passed with 73.5% and grade should be B. According to this data display here. Now friends, what will we do next? According to this data, I will create a pie chart. So let's see how can we do this. For creating a pie chart, what will I do? I will select this marks, go to insert, and here you can select any type of chart. I will just select recommended chart. My recommended chart is my pie chart. I will select it and press OK. When you select your pie chart, the some of the variations display here, so you can select any of the pie chart as per your choice. So I'm just selecting the standard one like this, and I will make it some aligned like this. Now here my pie chart creates as per this data. Now I can check that according to this data this pie chart changed or not. So what will I do? I will change to Smita. See, this data changes. Similarly, use section. Now see, data changes. So this is not looking fine. So what will I do? I will display my marks here. So for this, what will I do? I will select any of the cell uh, in the color section, click right, and click add data label. And when you click it, your marks are displaying here. 99, 90 is yellow color, 90 shows Hindi. Here it 90. In English 89. Here you can say a gray section is 89. Science 95. Orange one is a 95. And in maths you got 99. It is blue one. Now it is not showing properly. So what will I do? I will display the name of the subject here. So what will I do? I will select any cell, click right click and format data label. Click. It will display and you will just select category name. If you select this, see, maths data come because I have selected this. So for this you just select the entire cell, right click, go to tables, category name. Now here you can see the all the subjects with all their data. Now what will we do? We will change and see it comes accordingly or not. I will select Rahul. So according to Rahul marks, this pie chart changes. According to Abhishek marks, this pie chart changes. According to Richa marks, this pie chart changes. That means my pie chart is working as per my marks. You can change text here. You can write marks. Now what will I do? I will create some more charts to show this data. So what will I do? Now I will select from here, from name to marks, go to insert, recommended chart, and here I will select whatever data you want. I will select like which one. Okay, I will select the first one, click and OK. Now you can see that student name is also displaying here. See, Richa is displaying here because my selection is Richa. Now what will I do? I will just to verify it, I will change the name to Suraj and check. Suraj is displaying. That means it is also a attractive one. You can change the label name to marks of Suraj. If you set the name, then it can be known as marks of Saksham. So by this you can change your data with graph. So friend, this is the way you can play with your Excel data and you just make your Excel creative and colorful. Uh, Now we can do one more thing. If we can use some color formatting here also. So what will I do? I select this cell, status pass, and go to color condition, conditional formatting, go to new rule and select format only cell that contains, and here I will select specific text. If specific text equals to pass, PASS, then what will I do? I will click on format. I will just show is this column background is green and text should be white. So for this font we will select text color as white and go to fill and select green for this and press OK. Now you can see if a student is passed, then it is showing green. Similarly, what will I do? I will do it for fail. So who is my fail student? My fail is I think Smita. Yes, he is failed. So what will I do? I will equally select the cell, the same cell, go to conditional formatting, new rule, format data that contains. Here I will select specific text and write fail, FAIL. Similarly, what will I do? I will select the format. In fill, I want to show red, and in font, I will show white color, text as white color. Click OK and OK. Now what will I do? If I will change the name to here, now it shows. It is looking so beautiful right now. Similarly, you can do color changes as per your choice. Similarly, you can do only text color change by grade A, B, and C. So right now I will do for this uh, just doing condition for C so that it will display more pretty looks. So I will select it here. I will select a specific text. My text is C, and if C display, that means my font color should be red. So I will go to there. In font color I will display red and make that bold. Now if I select the failed student like Smita, see, fail and C is showing red. So friend, this is the way you can play with your Excel and you can change your Excel data with different formats, with a pie chart or with any another functions you can manipulate it. So if you think this is a useful video for you, then please like the video and share with your friends, and also subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new video notification. Till then, keep practicing and have a great day. Thank you.